I'm Dr. Kemi for Kemi Talks Media. It's Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025. Let's talk about Priscilla Ojo and the whole she's had the baby business. All these things are planned. And I keep telling you, you don't listen to me. Iyabo Ojo is not in Canada. She's inside Banana Island, hiding in an apartment there. She has to make everything look like she's in Canada by doing a skit every now and then off some balcony in a background that looks like Toronto. I've lived in Toronto 5 years, so I know what the balconies and what the backgrounds look like. Those are all trips to Canada. She's posting all these videos now. Look at her face very carefully. Is that the same Iyabo to you? Is that not like 2021 when she was doing all these different skits on TikTok? She's a liar. Tell her to go and do live video at the CN Tower. That way we know she's in Toronto. CN Tower is the landmark for Toronto. Tó o bá ti ṣe fídíò ní Toronto CN Tower àti wá àti Priscilla ṣe bí sọ́mà láwà ẹ̀ ẹgbọ́n ọmọ yín dání and everything onírò òfò onírò òṣì kò ń ṣẹ́jú ẹ̀ àwọn gullible fans ẹ̀ àwọn hook up girls ẹ̀ tó ń manipulate tó ń fake on. You think we're one of them? Iyabo ó bà ayé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ ó bà marriages àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ ó bà business àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ ó lo Gistlover láti ti da ayé àwọn èèyàn rú. Ó wá ń dúró nínú multiple personalities. Ó wá obstruct justice so that Mohbad ò ní rí justice. Wọ́n sọ fún VDM. Ìpè justice for Mohbad is a distraction. You are going to be a grandmother. Grandmother òṣìwò ló jẹ́. Nígbà tó sọ fẹ́ sàbọ̀ kó announce àti Lọ́lá Àlàó kó announce kó ti bímọ. Ó ti di grandma. The blue jet has arrived. You are not in Canada. You are hiding in Banana Island. Tí bá rat ẹ out even further kò ní yá àwọn èèyàn. Kò sí entry ẹ, there's no documented entry of yours inside Canada. CBS ò ní entry ẹ lórúkọ ẹ àfi tó bá forúkọ mi wọ Canada. Iyabo Ojo is not in any records of ever entering Canada. NIS gan sọ pé ever wọ Canada pẹ̀lú passport ẹ. Àbójútó pé Nigerian passport ẹ máa wà swiped with the CBS, Canadian Border Services Agency. Onírọ́ jáde kó lọ rọ́lọ́pàá Naira Marley àti VDM dúró dé kó dùn má bọ̀ ńlé. Ojo kò sí banana orúkọ dẹ̀ ni wá. Anyway, tí n bá ti rí fídíò yẹn from CN Tower, you're not in no damn Canada. Now, as for Priscilla tó bímọ, mo rò pé nígbà tí mo ṣe fídíò tí mo fún ẹ advice pé kò wọ́n máa pariwo ara ẹ gbogbo ẹ̀. It was the reason why I did these videos. It's not like I care about you. Okay, I just care about what's going to happen to you because of the bad things you've done to people. When I did that video, your fans they were like sucked into it, okay? Because they don't have, I don't know, this kind of fake idiots, yeah? You know, with video, Antonio is good though that she gave that advice, so blah, blah, blah. There were some people in that thread saying she's already had the baby. This advice is not needed. When did they tell you they've already had the baby? They've already had the baby because it's about so funny at Lala. That's Iyabo. Mama, the third party, mama, announcement, raw, the coin, boy. So now, Priscilla started posting pictures, pregnant pictures. Etunie eti bimo. First thing, eti bimo. And try to divert police from where you are. Iyabo is in Banana Island, Lagos. Priscilla is likely in Canada. I haven't checked her own papers. Okay, but we saw her arriving with Lola Alawo at some airports. There's no proof that that's even Canada. Okay, I have to see landmarks that says you are Pearson International Airport. Meanwhile, lẹ́yìn gbogbo yẹn àti bímọ yìí lẹ finally bímọ. Ẹ wá bímọ tán, ṣe dáadáa Iyabo. Iyabo, you are so fake. You're a liar, you're a thief, and you're a cheat. LCF near liar, cheat, and fraud. You're in LCF. That's an acronym I created in Canada. Liars, cheats, and frauds. So, Tadero Kwenga. I gbé photo ìjáde lẹ́yìn. This is editing. This is AI editing. And it was so badly done. And to share AI editing, you'll have to buy it. Now I'm going to take everybody to the tour of Iyabo's so-called baby Priscilla has delivered. She deliver. Come out and tell the truth. You are liars. Okay, Priscilla. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wo fingertips here. Those fingertips and also those hands. That's not Priscilla's hands. Ọwọ́ òyìnbó nìyẹn. Ọwọ́ òyìnbó nìyẹn. These are the hands of a white woman. Look at the ring on her finger. Is that Priscilla's ring? Emma Paroshi. But look at the tips and the knuckles. This is a white woman's hand. Basically, where I'm taking is that Priscilla's head was photoshopped into that woman having a baby. Okay? Now, many of us will have our babies, and our babies will come out light skin, very, very light skin. By 3 months, the back of their ears, once it looks dark, they're going to be dark. Most babies come out light skin anyway. But at the end of the day, I'm not questioning that whole fact that the baby is light skin, because babies look like that. But this baby that Priscilla is carrying is a white baby. Now look at my analysis. I'm an investigative journalist. Once you retire, but you know, me investigation. Yeah, boy, you roll my ìwọ lórí burúkú olóṣì ó pimp ọmọ ẹ ó fọmọ ẹ ṣe hook up gbogbo ẹni mo sì máa ṣe jáde mi tí parí docu-series ní whole docu-series. Iyabo, irú ẹ ti pọ̀ jù. For the people that are watching this picture, ẹ wo picture yẹn dáadáa sí ẹ lo brain yìí, because àwọn tó ní brain, àwọn Queen Mother fans tó ní brain wọn lè really rí brain motor coordination nǹkan tí mo tell láti wò. Now mo ti zoom in picture. Now ẹ wojú Priscilla, kẹ́ pojú yín dé for 1 second. Ẹ wá la ojú yín kẹ́ wo ọwọ́ yẹn. Ṣọwọ́ Priscilla nìyẹn. Your brain motor coordination will tell you that's a white woman's hand. Ṣé sì tí mo kọ síbẹ̀ pẹ̀lú red arrow, white hand nìyẹn. The baby is a white baby, okay? Now, watermark Anthony picture, original owner picture, watermark nìyẹn. Nǹkan táwọn fi watermark picture on at kìnnìkan àwọn náà ní picture. Then ẹ worry Priscilla, okay? Very, very poor editing, no line between the head and neck. And so edit picture. And it's probably Iyabo that did this, because she's fake. Wọ́n gbé orí Priscilla ní sí ara ẹnìkan tó bímọ. Wọ́n gbé orí Priscilla sára òyìnbó kan tó bímọ. Why would you lie about stuff like this? Is she even pregnant? Ẹ mú baby bump ẹ lọ fi ṣe photo shoot. Mo out sí and post oríṣiríṣi pictures of pregnancy, this one, that one. Who are you trying to impress? What is this validation for, Iyabo? For God's sakes. Now, people, look at my big arrow from Priscilla's hair to her cheeks. You see that area where the arrow is? I want you to look carefully at that long arrow where I have very poor editing, no line between head and neck. You see where that arrow goes? What do you see there? You see Priscilla's cheeks, but you see a sort of eraser, okay, that joins Priscilla's cheeks to someone else's head. Can you see that area? And I put 2 lines there. In fact, 3 lines around that neck. You see the 3 lines I have around that neck? That's not Priscilla's neck. This is AI editing. Iyabo, you took Priscilla's head and put it on top of somebody else that had a baby. You forgot to change their hands. Owo oyinbo like besibe. Oh, Odenye. You're so stupid. Ode paraku. Baby will be. And you can come for because of one abẹ́yẹ ti bímọ abẹ́yẹ ti bímọ. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé ti bímọ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ sọ. As far as I'm concerned, the Tanzanians have all talked to me. I got plenty of fans over there. Tanzanian fans tell me that nobody shows their baby's face till 3 months. And then another thing is they don't do photo shoots with your baby bump out. But if it's like, you know, regular Tanzanians would do. Like this, Afoju baby, huh? Baby's face was never be shown until 3 months. So, Iyabo, if you are trying to do Tanzanian style and protect anyone from seeing Priscilla's baby, use the real baby, okay? Because now, emotion will be late. What I pet is surrogacy. What I pet me lóyún. Jokes still lè fún yàn lóyún. Jokes that girlfriend Vanessa support you for question. Will impregnate. Gbogbo yín wò ó ti sú mi. I don't know what to say. So bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe gbé bébí òyìnbó dání àtọwọ́ òyìnbó kan. Ó dàbí pé Priscilla ò lóyún. Ó dàbí pé Jokes ò lè fún lóyún ẹ ti lọ gba surrogate mother. Everything is fake. Queen mother, fake.